Hey, YouTube. In this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to leverage Odoo's integrated spreadsheet feature to organize, analyze, and visualize your data efficiently. Start by navigating to the Documents app. Click on New and select Spreadsheet to create a new spreadsheet. Insert and link your Odoo data, such as pivots, graphs, lists, and menus, directly into your spreadsheet for dynamic data representation. Apply global filters to refine your data view, and utilize a wide range of formulas and functions to perform calculations and data analysis. Save time by creating templates for recurring reports. Simply click File and choose Save as Template to reuse your spreadsheet structure. Enhance readability by formatting your data, adjust fonts, colors, and cell styles. Sort and filter data to focus on what's important. With Odoo 18's spreadsheet feature, managing and analyzing your business data becomes seamless. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube! In this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to customize fields using Odoo Studio, empowering you to tailor your application's data structure without any coding. Start by opening the app you wish to customize and clicking on the Studio icon to enter customization mode. In Studio, fields are the building blocks of your data models. They define the type of data stored, such as text, numbers, dates, or relationships. To add a new field, simply drag it into your form. For example, add a text field for short strings like names or titles. Customize the field's properties, set its label, make it required, or define a default value to streamline data entry. Use relational fields like many-to-one to create links between models, enabling dynamic data relationships. Enhance user experience by selecting appropriate widgets. Display images, badges, or clickable links to make your interface more interactive. With Odoo Studio 18, customizing fields is intuitive and code-free, allowing you to adapt your applications to your unique business needs. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube! In this video, we are going to go over how to configure and utilize routes to control product movement within your warehouse using push and pull rules. In a typical warehouse, products transition through various stages, from receiving and quality control to storage and shipping. Odoo's routes allow you to automate these movements, ensuring efficiency and accuracy. To begin, enable the multi-step routes feature. Navigate to Inventory, then Configuration, and select Settings. Under the Warehouse section, check Multi-Step Routes. This action also enables storage locations. Click Save to apply the changes. Next, let's create a custom route. Go to Inventory, then Configuration, and select Routes. Click Create to define a new route. Click Create to define a new route. Enter a name for your route and specify where it can be applied, such as on products, product categories, warehouses, or sales order lines. Select the appropriate options based on your operational needs. For example, choosing product categories applies this route to all products within a specific category. Now, let's define the rules that dictate product movement. Open your newly created route and scroll to the Rules section. Click Add a line to set up a rule. Choose an action, such as pull from or push to determine how products will move between locations. For instance, a pull from rule can be configured to move products from a supplier location to an input area when there's a demand in your warehouse. After configuring your rules, save the route. Now, when processing sales orders, you can select this route to automate product movements as defined. Properly configured routes and rules streamline your warehouse operations, ensuring products move efficiently through your supply chain. Thank you for watching this video. Comment any questions you have and remember to like and subscribe.
Want to take a dive into your balance sheet in Odoo? You can expand all of the items listed on the balance sheet to show the GL accounts. To take it a step further, you can click on the value next to the GL account to see the specific journal entries. Comment any Odoo questions you have below, and remember to like and subscribe.
All right, today we're diving into a head-to-head between two ERP heavyweights, Odoo and SAP Business One.
That's right. Whether you're scaling up or just getting your systems in order, choosing the right ERP is a big deal. Let's break it down.
Odoo is modular and open source, super flexible. You install only what you need, and if you're tech-savvy, customizing it is a breeze. It's built on Python, so devs love it.
SAP Business One is more structured, and for good reason. It offers a solid, integrated system out of the box. Sure, it's proprietary, but that also means it's more standardized and stable for long-term scaling.
Cost-wise, Odoo is a no-brainer for smaller teams. There's even a free community edition. You only pay for what you use in the enterprise version, users and modules.
SAPB1 is definitely an investment, licensed per user. But you're also getting that enterprise-grade reliability and long-term support. For businesses serious about structure, it's worth the spend.
Odoo has a massive library of modules. Everything from CRM and inventory to marketing automation and even e-commerce. Plus, the Odoo App Store is huge.
SAPB1 might not have thousands of third-party apps, but what it does have is depth. It's rock solid for manufacturing, logistics, and complex financial reporting. And it's all built in, not patched in.
Odoo shines for startups and growing SMEs who want something lean, modern, and totally customizable.
SAPB1 is great for mid-sized businesses that need a strong backbone to scale. If you're dealing with multiple departments, compliance, or multinational operations, it's built for that.
Odoo's community is massive and growing fast. There's tons of support out there, and if you're on enterprise, you get direct help from Odoo too.
SAP's ecosystem is battle-tested. You've got certified partners, SAP support, and a global network of experts. It's a whole ecosystem that's been evolving for decades.
Odoo's interface is clean, modern, and entirely web-based. It's intuitive. Even non-tech folks can get up and running quickly.
SAPB1 has more of a classic enterprise vibe. Yeah, the desktop UI is heavier, but it's robust and familiar to financial and operations teams. Plus, there's a web version too.
So, if you're looking for agility, customization, and affordability, Odoo is the way to go.
And if you want enterprise-grade features, deep functionality, and long-term reliability, SAP Business One has your back.
Whichever you choose, make sure it fits your business goals.
Want to change your Odoo bot to something different? Go to Settings, then Manage Users. Change the search filter to Inactive Users and select Odoo Bot. From here, you can change its name and its picture to anything you want. Comment any Odoo questions you have below, and remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube, in this video, we are going to go over one-step delivery and receipt in Odoo 18. To configure one-step operations, navigate to the Inventory module, then go to Configuration and select Warehouses. Choose the warehouse you want to configure. Hey YouTube, in this video, we are going to go over one-step delivery and receipt in Odoo 18. With the configuration set, let's process a one-step receipt. Navigate to the Purchase module and click Create to initiate a new request for quotation. Select a supplier and add the products you wish to order. Once done, click Confirm Order to convert the quotation into a purchase order. After confirming the order, a Receipt Smart button appears. Click on it to process the incoming shipment. In the receipt form, click Validate to confirm that the products have been received and are now in stock. The receipt will move to the Done stage. We can verify that the stock was added by going to Inventory, Products, selecting products, and searching for our item. All it took was one click on the receipt. One-step deliveries work the same way. We can create a sales order, and upon confirmation, a Delivery Smart button becomes visible. Validating the delivery will confirm that the products have been shipped to the customer. By configuring one-step receipts and deliveries, you can streamline your warehouse operations, reducing handling time and improving efficiency. Comment any questions you have, and remember to like and subscribe.
Want to email some of your specific CRM opportunities in Odoo? Change your pipeline to the list view, select all of the opportunities you want to email, click Actions, and select Send Email. Add your email subject and body, then press Send. Enjoy the quick communication with your new potential clients.
Hey YouTube, in this video we are going to go over Odoo 18 accounting. Let's walk through the initial setup to get your accounting system up and running smoothly. Upon launching the accounting app, you're greeted by the accounting dashboard, featuring a step-by-step onboarding banner designed to guide you through the essential configurations. This banner outlines 4 key steps: accounting periods, bank account, taxes, and chart of accounts. You can modify these settings later by navigating to Accounting, Configuration, then Settings.
First, let's define your fiscal year's opening and closing dates. By default, it's set from January 1st to December 31st, but you can adjust these as needed. Also, set your tax return periodicity and enable reminders to ensure you never miss a tax return deadline. Next, configure your bank account by entering your bank details. This setup facilitates seamless synchronization with your bank transactions. Now, let's set up your taxes. Odoo automatically installs the appropriate fiscal localization package based on your company's country, providing ready-to-use accounts, reports, and taxes. You can review and adjust these settings to align with your specific tax requirements. Finally, let's look at the chart of accounts. You can customize this list by adding new accounts or modifying existing ones to suit your business needs. To create a new account, go to Accounting, Configuration, then Chart of Accounts. Click Create and fill in the required fields: code, account name, and type. Proper configuration ensures accurate financial reporting. Completing these steps sets a solid foundation for your accounting operations in Odoo. You can revisit and modify these configurations anytime through the Settings menu. Comment any questions you have and remember to like and subscribe for more content.
Are you using Odoo and you want to have a buy 10, get 10% off deal? Make sure you have the promotions, loyalty, and gift cards setting checked. Go to Sales, Products, Discount, and Loyalty. Set up the conditional rules with the minimum quantity as 10, and choose either the products or product categories you want on the discount. Set up the reward as discount with a 10% discount on the specific product category you want. Now you can use the 10% reward on your sales orders.
Hey YouTube! Welcome to Odoo 18. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to set up your chart of accounts to streamline your financial management. Start by navigating to the Accounting module, then Configuration, and select Chart of Accounts. Click Create to add a new account. Enter a unique code, a descriptive name, and select the appropriate account type, such as Asset, Liability, Income, or Expense. Enable Allow Reconciliation. If this account will be used to match transactions, like payments to invoices. You can also assign default taxes and tags to facilitate reporting and compliance. Once saved, your new account will appear in the Chart of Accounts, ready to be used in your financial transactions. By setting up your Chart of Accounts in Odoo 18, you lay the foundation for accurate and efficient financial management. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube, dropshipping is a great feature in Odoo 18. To begin, enable the dropshipping feature. Navigate to the Purchase module, go to Configuration, select Settings, and under the Logistics section, check the dropshipping box. Click Save to apply the changes. Next, configure the products you wish to dropship. In the Sales module, go to Products and select an existing product or create a new one. Ensure that both can be sold and can be purchased options are enabled. Under the Purchase tab, add the vendor who will fulfill the dropshipped orders and specify the purchase price. If you work with multiple vendors, list them here. Odoo will prioritize the top listed vendor for purchase orders. Now, click on the Inventory tab and enable the dropship route. This tells Odoo to send purchase orders directly to the vendor for delivery to your customer. With the product configured, let's process a dropship order. In the Sales module, create a new sales order, select the customer, and add the dropship-enabled product to the order lines. Upon confirming the sales order, Odoo automatically generates a request for quotation RFQ to purchase the product from the specified vendor. You can access this RFQ by clicking the Purchase Smart button on the sales order. In the Purchase module, review the generated purchase order. Once confirmed, the vendor will ship the product directly to your customer, streamlining your fulfillment process. By implementing dropshipping in Odoo 18.0, you can efficiently manage order fulfillment without holding inventory. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube, today we are going to go over Odoo 18's put-away rules. First, ensure that multi-step routes is enabled. This activation also turns on storage locations. Don't forget to save your changes. Next, let's define a put-away rule. Go to Put-away Rules and click Create. Specify the product or product category. Set the When Product Arrives in field to the receiving location, and designate the Store to field to the desired storage location. Now, when this product arrives, Odoo will automatically route it to the specified storage location, streamlining your warehouse operations. Implementing put-away rules in Odoo 18 enhances efficiency and organization in your warehouse. Like and subscribe for more content. Hey YouTube, subscriptions are super easy to set up in Odoo 18. Start by navigating to the Subscriptions app, then go to Products and select Products. Click New to create a new product. Enter the product name and ensure Can Be Sold is enabled. Make sure the Subscriptions option is checked to designate this as a subscription product. Then, we can create a sales order through the Subscriptions app with our product. Remember to set the recurring plan on the sales order. That's a quick breakdown of subscriptions in Odoo 18. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube! In this quick guide, we'll show you how to leverage price lists to implement dynamic pricing strategies tailored to your business needs in Odoo 18. Begin by enabling the price list feature. Navigate to the Sales module, then Configuration, and select Settings. Under the Pricing section, activate Price Lists and click Save. To create or modify a price list, go to Sales, then Products, and select Price Lists. Click Create to define a new price list. Enter a name for your price list, choose the appropriate currency, and set pricing rules. These rules can be based on specific products, customer segments, order quantities, or time periods. For example, you can offer a 10% discount on a product when a customer purchases more than 50 units. By utilizing price lists in Odoo 18, you can implement flexible and targeted pricing strategies to enhance your sales operations. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey YouTube, I got a quick Odoo trick for you. If your instance is in a language you can't read, you can click on your profile, click on the 6th option, and then change the language right here. For more Odoo tips, tricks, and hacks, be sure to check out our channel.
Hey YouTube! In this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to efficiently manage payments within the Accounting module. Begin by navigating to the Accounting module, then Configuration, and select Settings. Under the Currencies section, you'll find the Main Currency setting. Odoo automatically sets the main currency based on your company's country. To change it, click the drop-down menu, select your desired currency, and click Save to apply the changes. To keep exchange rates up to date, enable the Automatic Currency Rates feature. Choose a service provider and set the update interval, daily, weekly, or monthly. To add more currencies, click on the Currencies link. Here, you can activate additional currencies by toggling the Active switch. It's recommended to create a price list for each active currency to manage pricing effectively. By configuring foreign currencies in Odoo 18, you can efficiently handle international transactions and pricing. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube, welcome to Odoo 18. In this quick guide, we'll explore how Odoo's project management module can streamline your workflow. Start by opening the Project app. Click New to initiate a new project, assign a name, and set up your tasks using the intuitive Kanban view. The Kanban system allows you to visualize tasks across various stages, enhancing clarity and organization. Utilize the Gantt chart to plan and monitor project timelines, ensuring timely delivery and resource allocation. Analyze project profitability in real time, comparing revenues and costs to make informed decisions. With Odoo 18's project management tools, managing your projects becomes seamless and efficient. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube, welcome to Odoo 18. In this quick guide, we'll demonstrate how to efficiently manage employee expenses using the Expenses module. Start by opening the Expenses app. Here, employees can log their expenses by clicking New and filling out details like description, amount, and attaching receipts. Once submitted, managers can review and approve these expenses, ensuring compliance with company policies. Approved expenses are then posted to the accounting journal, maintaining accurate financial records. Finally, reimbursements can be processed, integrating seamlessly with payroll for timely employee compensation. By leveraging Odoo 18's Expenses module, you can streamline expense tracking and reimbursement processes. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube. In this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to customize views using Odoo Studio, empowering you to tailor your application's interface without writing a single line of code. Start by opening the app you wish to customize and clicking on the Studio icon to enter customization mode. In Studio, views are categorized into 4 types: General, Multiple Records, Timeline, and Reporting. Each offers a different way to present your data. For instance, to customize the form view, select it under General. You can add new fields by dragging them from the sidebar into your form layout. Enhance interactivity by adding buttons. Click Add a button, label it, and define its action, such as running a server action or calling a method. Customize the list view to display multiple records. Rearrange columns to prioritize the most relevant information for your workflow. Utilize the Gantt view to manage timelines effectively. Adjust taskbars to reflect project schedules and dependencies. Leverage the pivot view for in-depth data analysis. Modify data fields to generate insightful reports tailored to your business needs. With Odoo Studio 18.0, customizing views is intuitive and code-free, allowing you to create a user interface that aligns perfectly with your business processes. Remember to like and subscribe. Hey YouTube. In this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to customize views using Odoo Studio, empowering you to tailor your application's interface without writing a single line of code. Start by opening the app you wish to customize and clicking on the Studio icon to enter customization mode. In Studio, views are categorized into 4 types: General, Multiple Records, Timeline, and Reporting. Each offers a different way to present your data. For instance, to customize the form view, select it under General. You can add new fields by dragging them from the sidebar into your form layout. Enhance interactivity by adding buttons. Click Add a button, label it, and define its action, such as running a server action or calling a method. Customize the list view to display multiple records. Rearrange columns to prioritize the most relevant information for your workflow. Utilize the Gantt view to manage timelines effectively. Adjust taskbars to reflect project schedules and dependencies. Leverage the pivot view for in-depth data analysis. Modify data fields to generate insightful reports tailored to your business needs. With Odoo Studio 18.0, customizing views is intuitive and code-free, allowing you to create a user interface that aligns perfectly with your business processes. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube! In this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to customize fields using Odoo Studio, empowering you to tailor your application's data structure without any coding. Start by opening the app you wish to customize and clicking on the Studio icon to enter customization mode. In Studio, fields are the building blocks of your data models. They define the type of data stored, such as text, numbers, dates, or relationships. To add a new field, simply drag it into your form. For example, add a text field for short strings like names or titles. Customize the field's properties, set its label, make it required, or define a default value to streamline data entry. Use relational fields like many to one to create links between models, enabling dynamic data relationships. Enhance user experience by selecting appropriate widgets. Display images, badges, or clickable links to make your interface more interactive. With Odoo Studio 18, customizing fields is intuitive and code-free, allowing you to adapt your applications to your unique business needs. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube! In this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to create and manage effective email marketing campaigns using Odoo's email marketing app. Start by opening the email marketing app and clicking New to craft a new email campaign. Utilize the intuitive drag-and-drop editor to design your email. Choose from pre-built templates or create your own to match your brand style. Select your target audience by choosing from existing mailing lists or creating new ones to segment your contacts effectively. Schedule your email to be sent at the optimal time, ensuring maximum engagement from your audience. After sending, monitor your campaign's performance with detailed analytics, including open rates and click-through rates, to measure success and inform future strategies. With Odoo 18's email marketing app, creating impactful email campaigns is straightforward and efficient. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube. In this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to create and manage mailing lists using Odoo's email marketing app. Start by opening the email marketing app. Navigate to Mailing Lists and click New to create a new mailing list. Enter a name for your mailing list. To allow recipients to manage their subscription preferences, check Show in Preferences. Add contacts by clicking on Recipients or Import Contacts. You can paste email addresses or upload a file with contact information. Manage all your contacts from the Mailing List Contacts page. Here you can add, edit, or remove contacts from your mailing lists. To link a mailing list to your website, open the website app, click Edit, and add a newsletter block. This allows visitors to subscribe directly from your site. With Odoo 18.0's email marketing app, managing mailing lists is straightforward and efficient. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube! In this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to manage unsubscriptions and blacklists in your email marketing campaigns. Start by opening the email marketing app. Navigate to Configuration, then Settings. Enable the blacklist option when unsubscribing feature to allow recipients to remove themselves from all future marketing emails. By default, Odoo adds an unsubscribe link to your emails. If you're using a custom template, ensure to include the /unsubscribe from list link manually. When a recipient clicks unsubscribe, they're taken to a page to manage their subscriptions and can choose to exclude me to be blacklisted. View all blacklisted emails by going to Configuration, then Blacklisted Email Addresses. To unblacklist a contact, open their record and click Unblacklist. Provide a reason, then confirm. With Odoo 18.0, managing unsubscriptions is straightforward. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube! In this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to access and utilize financial reports to gain insights into your business's performance. Start by opening the Accounting app. Navigate to the Reporting menu to access various financial reports. Odoo provides a range of reports, including the balance sheet, profit and loss, and cash flow statement, offering a comprehensive view of your financial health. Click on the arrows next to report lines to drill down into detailed information, such as specific accounts or transactions. Export your reports in PDF or Excel formats for sharing or further analysis. Simply click the corresponding button at the top of the report. Utilize the comparison feature to analyze your financial data across different periods, helping you track performance over time. With Odoo 18.0's robust financial reporting tools, you can make informed decisions to drive your business forward. Remember to like and subscribe. Hey YouTube! In this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to effectively manage activities to streamline your workflow. Activities are follow-up tasks linked to records. To schedule one, click Schedule Activity in the chatter of any record. Choose an activity type, like call, email, meeting, or to-do. Set a summary, due date, assign it to a user, and add any notes. Activities can also be scheduled from Kanban or list views. Click the clock icon on a record to add an activity. Use the activity view to see all tasks at a glance. Green means upcoming, orange is due today, and red is overdue. Need a custom activity? Navigate to Configuration, then Activity Types to create one tailored to your needs. With Odoo 18, managing activities is seamless. Remember to like and subscribe. Hey YouTube! In this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to effectively use storage locations to optimize your warehouse management. Start by enabling the Storage Locations feature. Go to the Inventory app, navigate to Configuration, then Settings. Under the Warehouses section, check the Storage Locations box and click Save. To create a new location, go to Configuration, then Locations, and click New. Enter a recognizable name for the location. Assign a parent location to establish a hierarchy. For example, Warehouse Stock Zone a Refrigerator 1. Choose a location type: vendor, view, internal, customer, inventory loss, production, or transit, depending on its purpose. Designate if it's a scrap or return location by checking the appropriate boxes. You can also assign a barcode for easy identification. With Odoo 18.0, managing storage locations becomes seamless, enhancing your inventory control. Remember to like and subscribe. Hey YouTube! In this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to perform inventory counts to ensure accurate stock levels. Start by opening the Inventory app. Navigate to Operations, then select Physical Inventory to access the Inventory Adjustments page. Select the products you want to count. You can filter or group by location or product category to narrow down your selection. Enter the counted quantity for each product. If the counted quantity matches the on-hand quantity, click the Set icon to confirm. The difference column shows discrepancies. A positive value indicates excess stock, while a negative value indicates a shortage. Once all counts are entered, click Apply All to record the adjustments. You can add a reason why, then Odoo will update stock levels accordingly. With Odoo 18.0, maintaining accurate inventory is straightforward. Remember to like and subscribe. Hey YouTube! In this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to perform cycle counts to maintain accurate inventory without disrupting operations. Start by opening the Inventory app. Navigate to Configuration, then Settings. Under the Operations section, ensure Storage Locations is enabled, as cycle counts are location-based. Go to Configuration, then Locations. Select the location you want to set up for cycle counting. In the location form, set the inventory frequency to define how often this location should be counted. Daily, weekly, monthly, etc. Odoo will automatically schedule the next inventory count based on this frequency. You can view the next expected inventory date in the location form. When it's time for a cycle count, go to Inventory app. Operations bar at the Inventory Adjustments. Filter by the location and perform the count as usual. With Odoo 18.0, cycle counts help you maintain inventory accuracy efficiently. Remember to like and subscribe.
Welcome to Odoo 18. In this quick guide, we'll explore how the Help Desk module can enhance your customer support operations. Start by setting up your Help Desk teams. Each team can have its own pipeline, allowing for organized ticket management and efficient issue resolution. Tickets can be created manually or through the website form. Customize stages to reflect your workflow, ensuring clarity and progress tracking. Enhance your support with the Help Center by integrating knowledge, forums, and e-learning. This provides customers with self-service options and reduces ticket volume. Utilize built-in reports like tickets analysis, SLA status, and customer ratings to monitor performance, identify bottlenecks, and improve service quality. With Odoo 18 Help Desk, delivering exceptional customer support is streamlined and effective. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube! In this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to manage scrap inventory efficiently. First, enable storage locations in the inventory settings to manage different areas within your warehouse. Navigate to the Inventory app. Select Configuration, Location Is, then create a new location for scrapped items. Click New, name it Scrap, and check Is a Scrap location. To scrap products, go to Operations and select Scrap. Click New to initiate a new scrap order. Choose the product, enter the quantity, and select the source location. Odoo will automatically set the scrap location. Click Validate to process the scrap. Odoo updates your inventory in real time, ensuring accurate stock levels. With Odoo 18, managing scrap inventory is straightforward. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube, in this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to configure units of measure to streamline your inventory management. First, enable units of measure in the inventory settings under the product section, then click Save. Next, go to Units and Packages to view or create categories. Remember, Odoo only converts units within the same category. Select New to add a new UOM, add a name, reference unit, and number of reference items per new unit. For example, a 6-pack has 6 units in it. Now assign units to a product. In the product form under the Sales tab, set the packagings to the unit of measures you want on sales orders. If you order different units of measures from vendors, you need to do the same under the Purchase tab as well. You can now select your unit of measure on sales and purchase forms. If you buy one 6-pack of bagels, Odoo will inventory it as units, but stock moves will show the unit of measure. With Odoo 18, managing different units of measure is effortless. Remember to like and subscribe. Hi YouTube, in this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to track products using serial numbers to enhance traceability. First, enable lots and serial numbers in the inventory settings under the traceability section, then click Save. Next, configure operation types. For example, in receipts, enable create new lot serial numbers to assign serial numbers upon receiving products. Now, assign serial number tracking to a product. In the product form under the General Information tab, set tracking to by unique serial number and click Save. During a receipt, click the Operations tab, then the Detailed Operations icon. Here, you can manually enter serial numbers or use Generate Serials to create them automatically. To view and manage serial numbers, go to Lot Serial Numbers. Here, you can see all assigned serial numbers and their associated products. With Odoo 18, tracking products using serial numbers is straightforward. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube, in this guide for Odoo 18, we'll show you how to configure inventory valuation to ensure accurate financial tracking. Start by enabling automatic inventory valuation. Go to the Accounting app, navigate to Configuration, then Settings. Under the Stock Valuation section, check Automatic Accounting and click Save. Next, set up your product categories. In the Inventory app, go to Configuration, then Product Categories. Select a category and set Inventory Valuation to Automated. Choose a costing method, standard price, average cost, or first in, first out. This determines how product costs are calculated. With automated valuation, configure the following accounts. Stock Valuation Account tracks the current value of products. Production Account logs all production value of products. Stock Input Account records incoming stock transactions. Stock Output Account records outgoing stock transactions. Stock Journal logs all inventory valuation entries. When you receive products, Odoo debits the Stock Valuation Account and credits the Stock Input Account. Upon delivery, it credits the Stock Valuation Account and debits the Stock Output Account. To monitor inventory values, navigate to Inventory app Reporting Valuation. Here, you can view detailed reports of stock movements and their financial impact. With Odoo 18, configuring inventory valuation ensures real-time financial accuracy. Remember to like and subscribe. Welcome to Odoo 18. In this quick guide, we'll explore how to manage landed costs to ensure accurate product valuation. First, enable landed costs in the inventory settings under the Valuation section, then click Save. This allows you to allocate additional expenses like shipping and customs to your products. Next, create a product for the landed cost. Go to Inventory Products, click New, name it, set the product type to Service, and under the Purchase tab, check Is a landed cost. Choose a default split method like by weight or by value to determine how costs are allocated. Create a purchase order for your products. Once received, generate a vendor bill. Add the landed cost product as a separate line item. Ensure the landed costs checkbox is ticked for this line. Save the vendor bill and click Create Landed Costs. In the landed cost form, select the related transfer, then click Compute. Review the cost allocations under the Valuation Adjustments tab and click Validate to apply. After validation, Odoo updates the product valuations, reflecting the additional costs. With Odoo 18, managing landed costs ensures precise inventory valuation. Remember to like and subscribe. Welcome to Odoo 18. In this quick guide, we'll explore how to efficiently manage warehouses to streamline your inventory operations. Start by accessing the Inventory app. Navigate to Configuration, then Warehouses. Here, you can view existing warehouses or create a new one by clicking Create. In the warehouse form, fill in the required fields. Warehouse, full name of the warehouse, short name, and abbreviated code, like WH1. Address, physical location of the warehouse. Company, the company that owns the warehouse. Under the Warehouse Configuration tab, set up your operations. Incoming shipments, choose between 1, 2, or 3-step receipt processes. Outgoing shipments, define the delivery steps, direct delivery, packing, or quality checks. Manufacturer to resupply. Enable if manufacturing occurs in this warehouse. Resupply subcontractors, check this if the warehouse supplies subcontractors. Odoo allows you to manage multiple warehouses. You can set up inter-warehouse transfers and define replenishment rules to maintain optimal stock levels across all locations. Monitor warehouse performance by accessing inventory reporting. Here, you can analyze stock movements, valuations, and forecasted inventory needs. With Odoo 18, warehouse management becomes seamless and efficient. Remember to like and subscribe.
Welcome to Odoo 18. In this quick guide, we'll explore how the Timesheets module can enhance your time tracking and project management. Access the Timesheets app to start logging your work hours. Easily record time spent on various tasks and projects. Click Add a line to input your time entries. Select the project, task, and enter the duration. This ensures accurate tracking of your work. Timesheets seamlessly integrate with the project app. Assign tasks to team members and monitor the time spent to keep projects on track. When employees request time off, Odoo can automatically generate corresponding timesheet entries, ensuring comprehensive time tracking. Utilize built-in reports to analyze timesheet data. Gain insights into productivity, project progress, and resource allocation. With Odoo 18's Timesheets module, managing and analyzing work hours becomes efficient and insightful. Remember to like and subscribe. Welcome to Odoo 18. In this quick guide, we'll explore how the Field Service module can streamline your on-site operations. Start by accessing the Field Service app. Here, you can manage tasks, schedule appointments, and oversee your field operations efficiently. To create a new task, click New. Fill in the necessary details like customer information and assign it to your field technician. Utilize the planning feature to schedule tasks. View assignments in calendar or Gantt views, and optimize routes using the map integration. Add products or services to tasks, ensuring accurate inventory tracking and seamless invoicing upon task completion. Customize worksheets for your tasks to standardize reporting. Technicians can fill these out on-site, capturing essential information and customer signatures. Integrate field service with other Odoo modules like Sales and Help Desk for a cohesive workflow, from ticket creation to task execution. With Odoo 18's Field Service module, managing on-site operations has never been easier. Remember to like and subscribe. Welcome to Odoo 18. In this quick guide, we'll explore how the social marketing module can elevate your online presence and streamline your campaigns. Access the social marketing app to manage all your social media accounts in one place. Connect platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube to start scheduling. Like new posts to craft messages, add text, images, and schedule posts on later. Optimize content for platforms to maximize engagement. Organize your efforts and campaigns. SMS, push notifications, to track performance and ROI effectively. Monitor your success with built-in analytics. Track likes, comments, shares, and more to understand what resonates with your audience. With Odoo 18's social marketing module, managing your online presence is seamless and effective. Remember to like and subscribe. Welcome to Odoo 18. In this quick guide, we'll explore how the maintenance module can help you keep your equipment running smoothly. Access the Maintenance app to manage all your equipment maintenance needs. From here, you can track equipment, schedule maintenance, and monitor performance. To add new equipment, go to Equipment's Machines and Tools and click Create. Fill in details like equipment name, category, and assign it to a maintenance team and technician. Under Maintenance Requests, click New to create a request. Specify if it's for equipment or a work center, set the maintenance type to preventive or corrective, and assign it to the appropriate team. Use the maintenance calendar to schedule and view upcoming maintenance tasks. Simply click on a date to create a new request or edit existing ones. Monitor key metrics like mean time between failure (MTBF) and mean time to repair (MTTR) to assess equipment performance and plan maintenance accordingly. With Odoo 18's maintenance module, ensure your equipment stays in top condition. Remember to like and subscribe.
Welcome to Odoo 18. In this quick guide, we'll explore how the quality module can help you maintain high standards in your manufacturing and inventory processes. Access the quality app to manage quality control points, conduct checks, and handle alerts efficiently. Create quality control points to automate quality checks at specific stages of your operations, ensuring consistent product quality. Conduct various types of quality checks, such as pass-fail, measurement, and instructions, to validate product standards during manufacturing and inventory movements. If issues arise, generate quality alerts directly from orders to notify your team and initiate corrective actions promptly. With Odoo 18's quality module, maintaining excellence in your operations is streamlined and effective. Remember to like and subscribe. Ready to add your product to Odoo? Here's how. First, open the Inventory or Sales app. Go to Products, select Products, and click New to add a new product. Enter the product name and set the product type, inventory, consumable, or service. After that, you can input the quantity on hand, sales price, tax info, cost, product category, barcode. The Sales tab has packaging info and other data used on the website module. Optional, accessory, and alternative products can be set here, as well as other tags or categories. The Purchase tab allows you to set multiple vendors as well as price and lead time. This is where Odoo will pull the data from if you use the replenishment feature. Click Save and now you're ready to sell. It's that simple with Odoo. Remember to like and subscribe. Welcome to your crash course in Odoo accounting. Whether you're a small business owner or a finance pro, Odoo gives you all the tools to manage your accounts like a pro. Once you install the accounting module, your dashboard becomes the command center. Here you'll see journals, reports, and quick access to bank reconciliation, invoices, and more. First up, the chart of accounts. Odoo provides default templates for each country. You can customize or import your own to match your company's financial structure. Creating customer invoices is easy. Just go to Customers, Invoices, then click New, select a customer, add your products or services, and send. For vendor bills, you can simply upload the document or record it manually. Next, connect your bank accounts. Odoo supports automatic bank feeds, making reconciliation a breeze. Just match transactions and validate. Odoo handles taxes automatically. Set up tax rules, group taxes, and let the system apply them to each sale or purchase automatically. Perfect for multi-country operations. With just a click, generate real-time reports, profit and loss, balance sheet, general ledger. No more waiting for month-end chaos. Odoo accounting is powerful, flexible, and built to scale with your business. Remember to like and subscribe. Want to start selling products with Odoo? Here's how in under 60 seconds. First, open the Sales app, then click New to start a new order. Add your customer, then select the product you're selling. Odoo autofills the price, taxes, and availability. Hit confirm and boom, you've made a sale. Odoo instantly creates a delivery order, ready for shipping. Need payment? Click Create Invoice and send it directly from Odoo. That's how easy it is to sell with Odoo. Try it out and start closing deals today. Remember to like and subscribe. Managing your inventory doesn't have to be complicated. Here's how Odoo makes it effortless. Open the Inventory app to track products, locations, and stock movements, all in one place. Monitor stock levels in real time. Odoo alerts you when it's time to restock or fulfill an order. Use one-step or multi-step routes for receipts and deliveries. It's flexible for any warehouse setup. Run inventory valuation, get detailed reports, and even manage scrap, all with just a few clicks. Smarter inventory starts with Odoo. Try it and take control of your supply chain today. Remember to like and subscribe. Need to restock inventory? Let's create a purchase order in Odoo fast. Go to the Purchase app, then click New to start a new order. Select your vendor, then add the products you're ordering. Quantities, prices, and taxes, all auto-filled. Click Confirm Order to lock it in. Odoo auto-generates the receipt and updates inventory when products arrive. Need to record the bill? Just hit Create Bill and process the payment. That's how to create a purchase order in Odoo, easy, smart, fast. Remember to like and subscribe. Want to close more deals without the chaos? Let's dive into Odoo CRM in 60 seconds. Open the CRM app to view existing or to add new leads. Capture key info, name, company, email, and assign it to your sales team. Track progress visually with a drag-and-drop Kanban board. Customize stages to match your workflow. Schedule follow-ups, calls, and meetings, all from inside the lead card. When it's time, convert the lead into a deal and celebrate the win. Sell smarter, not harder with Odoo CRM. Remember to like and subscribe. Want to manage projects smarter and faster? Here's how Odoo gets it done. Start in the Project app, click New to launch a new project, then add tasks and assign them to your team. Use Kanban boards to track progress in real time. Drag and drop tasks through custom stages. Log time, set deadlines, and attach files, all in one place. Need insights? Check out timesheets, forecasts, and reports to stay on track. That's project management made simple with Odoo. Remember to like and subscribe. Managing perishable goods. Let's set up product expiration dates in Odoo. Step 1, go to the Inventory module, then head to Settings. Scroll down and activate lots and serial numbers and expiration dates. Hit Save. Step 2, open your product and under the General Information tab, select if you're tracking inventory by lot of serial number. Then under the Inventory tab, check the expiration date box and set expirate date, best before date, removal date, and alert date. Step 3, when receiving products, hit the Detailed Operations button and set expiration date for the lot of material you are receiving. You can add multiple lines if needed. You can use the lot serial number smart button to get a quick overview of your product's expiration dates. Boom, Odoo now warns you before products expire, saving your business from losses. Remember to like and subscribe. Got shelves full of products and no idea where anything is? Let's fix that with Odoo inventory locations. First, go to Inventory Settings and enable Storage Locations. Now head to Configuration Locations and click New to add a new location, like Warehouse A or Shelf B1. Assign products to specific locations so you know exactly where they're stored. Track stock moves and improve picking accuracy. No more lost inventory. Odoo makes inventory management easy and efficient. Remember to like and subscribe. Running out of stock or maybe you're overstocked? Let Odoo handle reorders for you automatically. Start by opening the Inventory app, then go to Products and select the item you want to automate. On the product page, scroll down to the Reordering Rules tab, click Create. Here's where the magic happens. Set the minimum quantity, this is the stock level that will trigger a reorder. Then, set the maximum quantity, how much you want in stock after reordering. Odoo will calculate how much to reorder to reach that max. Click Save and you're done. Odoo will now monitor your stock and create replenishment orders automatically. When stock drops below your minimum, Odoo generates a purchase order, no manual input needed. Set it and forget it, that's smart inventory with Odoo. Remember to like and subscribe. Want more control over company spending? Here's how to set up purchase approval rules in Odoo fast. Open the Purchase module and go to Settings. Check the box for purchase order approval. Set the minimum amount that needs approval, like $5,000. Anything below that goes through automatically. Let's test it, create a purchase order for something over the limit. Instead of confirming, the order is now marked to approve. Manager logs in and approves it. Boom, you're in control and compliant. Smarter purchasing starts with the right approvals. Try it now in Odoo and subscribe for more business tips. Need to return a product in Odoo? Here's how to process returns in just a few clicks. Step 1, go to your delivery orders and find the one related to the sale. Step 2, click the return button. Select the product and quantity being returned. Odoo automatically generates a return order. Just validate it to update your inventory. Need a refund? Go to the related invoice and click Add Credit Note to issue one. This works the same way with vendor receipts. Just find the receipt and click Return. Returns don't have to be hard. Odoo makes it simple. Like and follow for more business tips. Want cleaner product organization in Odoo? Let's set up product categories in Odoo 18. Step 1, head to Inventory, Configuration, and click on Product Categories. Step 2, click New, give your category a name. Make sure to set the costing method and income and expense accounts. You can add a parent product category as well. Step 3, go to any product, assign it to your new category, and you're done. Now you can filter reports, organize listings, and streamline inventory tracking. Stay organized, stay efficient. Subscribe for more Odoo power tips. Think you know Odoo? Here are 5 hidden features that could save your business hours every week. Number 1, reordering rules. Odoo can automatically create purchase orders when stock is low. Set minimum and maximum quantities and let Odoo handle the rest. Number 2, activity scheduling. Assign calls, emails, or to-dos right inside CRM, sales, or accounting. It's like having a built-in assistant. Number 3, email templates. Save time with pre-built emails for quotes, invoices, and more, plus automate them with triggers. Number 4, barcode integration. Speed up warehouse operations using just a mobile device. Scan, validate, done. And number 5, Odoo spreadsheets. Build real-time dashboards with charts and pivot tables, no Excel needed. Which one are you already using? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Odoo tips. Need to control who sees what in your Odoo system? Let's go over how to set user access rights the right way. Start by heading to Settings, then click Users. This is where all your team members are managed. Click on a user to edit their permissions. You can also create a new one if needed. Now scroll down to set access levels for each app like sales, inventory, or accounting. Choose from options like user, manager, or no access. Simple and effective. Want to assign permissions in bulk? Use groups. Add users to predefined roles and Odoo will handle the rest. Super handy for larger teams. Need advanced control? Activate developer mode to unlock detailed security rules and technical settings, ideal for admins. And that's it, access rights in Odoo, customized, secure, and easy to manage. Remember to like and subscribe. Want to speed up your workflow in Odoo? Let me show you the most underrated time saver, smart buttons. These little buttons on top of your records, they're called smart buttons, and they're way more powerful than they look. Each button gives you instant access to related data, like all quotations for a customer, invoices, tasks, or support tickets. Want your own? Use the Studio app. Just drag and drop a new smart button to link related records, no coding needed. You can even count records or filter what shows up. Super handy for sales, projects, and accounting. So if you're still clicking around menus, stop. Use smart buttons to work faster, cleaner, smarter. Remember to like and subscribe.
Howdy, YouTube. Today, we are going to show you how to create a quotation and convert it to a sales order in Odoo version 18. First, you go to the Sales module. Then you select New in the top left. You can add your customer in the Customer field by selecting it or by typing in their name. We are going to use Amy Watson. You add a product by clicking Add a Product. Similar to customers, you can select your item or type it in. We will choose a bacon burger. As you can see, Odoo automatically added a quantity of 1 and the correct unit price and tax amount. Now you can select Save Manually in the top to save this quotation. We can verify the quotation was saved by clicking the breadcrumbs link. As you can see, quotation S00074 was created. When we click into the quote we just created, we can see the status is set to quotation. We can convert this quote to a sales order by clicking the Confirm button in the top left. Thank you for your time. Please like, subscribe, and add any questions you have to the comments.
Need to track extra info in Odoo, like customer ID numbers, product colors, or custom checkboxes? Here's how. Start by clicking the studio icon. You'll enter edit mode for the current screen. Now just drag the field type you want, text, number, drop-down checkbox, onto the form where you want it. Give it a label, choose whether it's required, and even make it visible only under certain conditions. Click close and you're done. The new field is now live and ready to use. And that's it, custom fields in Odoo, fast, flexible, and no coding needed. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube, I got a quick Odoo trick for you. If your instance is in a language you can't read, you can click on your profile, click on the 6th option, and then change the language right here. For more Odoo tips, tricks, and hacks, be sure to check out our channel. Hey YouTube! Today we are going to go over the basic workflow of using Odoo. We are going to start with creating a product and moving on to creating a purchase order and a sales order. To start, this is the main home screen for Odoo. You can access all of your apps and modules from here. To create a product, we are going to go to the Inventory module, go to Products at the top, and select Products. Then you can press New in the top left. From here, you can add your product name, cost, and sales price. We will create a box with a cost of $5 and a sales price of $10. Now, we can save the product and go back to the home screen, clicking the Home button in the top left. Next thing for us to do is to purchase this product from a vendor. To do that, we will go to the Purchase module, click New in the top left, add our vendor, expected arrival date, product, and quantity. The unit price should autofill with the information we just added to the product. If needed, we could send an RFQ to the vendor, or we can immediately confirm this order to be a purchase order. In Odoo, there are multiple ways to do many different processes, so here's just one method to receive in product from a purchase order. In the top middle of the screen, select the Receipt button. This is creating a stock move from the vendor to our inventory. If the quantities are correct, select Validate in the top left. Then we can use the breadcrumbs to go back to the purchase order. We can select Create Bill in the top left to create the vendor bill. If everything looks correct, select Confirm. If you hit the Pay button in the top left, you can select how you paid for these items or match this vendor bill to an existing journal entry. To verify that we received the inventory, we can go to the home screen, Inventory module, then select Products at the top. Search for your product, and you can see we have 10 pieces on hand. Now we can sell the product. From the home screen, go to the Sales module and select New in the top left. Add your customer, product, and quantity. Please note, the unit price is the same price that we set while creating the product. Similarly to purchase orders, we can send this quote to the customer or immediately create it into a sales order by clicking Confirm. Next, we can select Delivery at the top to create a new stock move from our inventory to the customer. If the quantity is correct, select Validate to create the stock move. Again, if we use the breadcrumbs to go back to the sales order, we can create an invoice for the customer by selecting Create Invoice in the top left and selecting the type of invoice you want. If everything looks accurate, select Confirm in the top left to create the invoice. You can select Pay here to choose how the customer is paying you. To verify that we sent the inventory, we can go to the home screen Inventory module, then select Products at the top. Search for your product, and you can see we have 9 pieces on hand. This was a very simplified overview on how to use Odoo. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. If not, please like and subscribe and have a super week.
Are your retinas burning from using Odoo? Use dark mode instead. Go to your profile in the top right and select Dark Mode. No more being blinded by the light.
Want to make more informed business decisions and see your margin on Odoo sales orders? Go to Configuration, Settings, check the Margins box, and click Save. On a sales order, use the KBOB menu to check margin and margin percent. Subscribe for helpful Odoo tricks.
All right, today we're diving into a head-to-head between two ERP heavyweights, Odoo and SAP Business One.
That's right. Whether you're scaling up or just getting your systems in order, choosing the right ERP is a big deal. Let's break it down.
Odoo is modular and open source, super flexible. You install only what you need, and if you're tech-savvy, customizing it is a breeze. It's built on Python, so devs love it.
SAP Business One is more structured, and for good reason. It offers a solid, integrated system out of the box. Sure, it's proprietary, but that also means it's more standardized and stable for long-term scaling.
Cost-wise, Odoo is a no-brainer for smaller teams. There's even a free community edition. You only pay for what you use in the enterprise version, users and modules.
SAP B1 is definitely an investment, licensed per user. But you're also getting that enterprise-grade reliability and long-term support. For businesses serious about structure, it's worth the spend.
Odoo has a massive library of modules. Everything from CRM and inventory to marketing automation and even e-commerce. Plus, the Odoo App Store is huge.
SAP B1 might not have thousands of third-party apps, but what it does have is depth. It's rock solid for manufacturing, logistics, and complex financial reporting. And it's all built in, not patched in.
Odoo shines for startups and growing SMEs who want something lean, modern, and totally customizable.
SAP B1 is great for mid-sized businesses that need a strong backbone to scale. If you're dealing with multiple departments, compliance, or multinational operations, it's built for that.
Odoo's community is massive and growing fast. There's tons of support out there, and if you're on enterprise, you get direct help from Odoo too.
SAP's ecosystem is battle-tested. You've got certified partners, SAP support, and a global network of experts. It's a whole ecosystem that's been evolving for decades.
Odoo's interface is clean, modern, and entirely web-based. It's intuitive. Even non-tech folks can get up and running quickly.
SAP B1 has more of a classic enterprise vibe. Yeah, the desktop UI is heavier, but it's robust and familiar to financial and operations teams. Plus, there's a web version too.
So, if you're looking for agility, customization, and affordability, Odoo is the way to go.
And if you want enterprise-grade features, deep functionality, and long-term reliability, SAP Business One has your back.
Whichever you choose, make sure it fits your business goals.
Can't find your replenish on Order M3ldoo route? Do this trick to make it visible. Go to Inventory, Configuration, Routes. Then hit the search drop-down and select Archived. Highlight Replenish on Order, hit Actions Unarchive. Enjoy your smooth inventory route.
Odoo has some of the best reporting, if you know how to use it. The trick is to use the pivot view and select the exact measures you want to see. With a few mouse clicks, here is a pivot table showing total revenue and margin split up by sales category on a month-to-month basis.